Pros and cons of custom furniture. Dear friends, custom furniture is developed and produced to the homeowner's requirements to reflect the homeowner's taste. Custom designed furniture is made using the traditional carpentry method, which includes trained workers and craftsmen as well as the use of genuine raw materials. To create extremely useful, aesthetically beautiful, and sumptuous pieces of furniture, premium materials such as BWR, boiling water resistant, plywood and various types of wood are employed. Pros of custom furniture. Individuals' tastes and preferences are taken into consideration when creating custom furniture. Custom furniture is created to maximize the potential use of space and is built to the exact measurements of the job site. The furniture can either fit in with the rest of the room or make a bold statement as an accent piece. The best thing about custom furniture is that it allows you to combine different design trends and integrate unique touches. In addition, the color, finish, and upholstery can all be customized. Because the homeowners choose high-quality raw materials, custom furniture is extremely long-lasting. As a result, handcrafted furniture is an investment that increases the value of a property. There is quality assurance because the homeowner is aware of the cost breakdown of various furniture components. There is also the option of strategically modifying the requirements of raw materials or external finishes to control costs. Cons of custom furniture. Custom furniture is more expensive than mass-produced furniture. Custom furniture has the disadvantage of taking longer to fabricate because it must pass through multiple quality tests and approvals at various stages before it is finished and ready for delivery. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.